Model, 57-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI XBT77K miles body, white, panel van mileage, 77,192 MOT, the 20th of February 2024 engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhpb transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts first time, engine sound perfect, the turbo is seized and not spinning. Straightforward, simple replacement to have a genuine well-maintained mileage Viviaro with twin side loading doors. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.